established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of auto wire harness, electronics wire harness, hardware terminal, auto connectors, computer connectors. We are located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, a world's famous manufacturing plant with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certificates. Kangsheng Electronics provides total manufacturing solutions from design concept to full production with our state-of-the-art equipment and processes specializing in manufacturing high-quality cable harnesses. Taking the management idea and service tenet of quality first, customer-oriented, reasonable price, and perfect after-sales service. Our products are not only selling well in all cities and provinces around China, but also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Europe, Asia, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We look forward to establishing win-win business relationships with new customers all over the world in the near future.